Simplify root of 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. Can you solve it? It is easy. Let us do it. And you will see that the answer that comes out is so simple. Let's start solving it. The question is root of 45 minus 3 into root of 20 plus 4 into root of 5, which is equal to root of 45 can be written as 5 into 9, because 45 is nothing but equal to 5 into 9. The factors are 5 and 9. Next we have 3 into root of 20. So now 20 can be written as 2 into 10 or 5 into 4. We pick up 5 into 4 because you see we have 5 over here as well as here. So it is going to help us take the common out of the given expression. So in place of 20 we write 5 into 4 plus 4 into root of 5, which is equal to root of 5 into root of 9 minus 3 into root of 5 into root of 4 plus 4 into root of 5. How we did it? We used a simple identity. Root of AB is equal to root of A into root of B. Solving it further, we get root 5 remains as it is, but root of 9 gives us 3 minus 3 into root of 5 remains as it is, and root of 4 we get as 2 plus 4 into root of 5, which is equal to, if you see we have root 5 over here, we have root 5 over here as well as here. So we can take root 5 as common. So we get 3 minus, here we have 3 into 2 plus 4, which is equal to root of 5 into 3 minus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4, which is equal to root of 5 into 3 plus 4 we get 7, and we already had minus 6 here, which is equal to root 5 into 7 minus 6, it gives us 1. This is equal to root of 5, and that is our final answer. So you see, it is simple and easy. You just have to do it. And believe me, study mere, not anymore.